Welcome to Easygolife, where we simplify digital success, explore cutting-edge tech, game-changing marketing hacks, and more, crafted to inspire and empower every generation.
Welcome
Let's
back to
innovate
our
and
series,
thrive
Learn
together.
Website Designing and Development from Scratch. If you've been following along, we've already laid the foundation in the first 6 videos. Today, we're stepping into the 7th chapter, connecting PHP with HTML. This is where the magic of dynamic web development truly begins. By the end of this video, you'll have the power to transform static web pages into interactive experiences. We'll explore how to seamlessly embed PHP into HTML, handle user-submitted data with ease, create dynamic content that adapts in real time, and even take your first steps in integrating databases with your web projects. Whether you're building a simple contact form or a complex data-driven site, this knowledge is key to unlocking the full potential of your web development skills. Let's dive in and see how PHP and HTML together can bring your web pages to life. Now that we've covered the basics of HTML, it's time to take things to the next level by introducing PHP into the mix. Embedding PHP within HTML allows us to create web pages that aren't just static, but dynamic and responsive to user input. With PHP, you can execute server-side code that generates HTML on the fly, making your pages more interactive and versatile. In this section, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate PHP into your existing HTML structure, so you can start building web pages that respond to your users in real time. Let's dive into the world of dynamic web development with PHP embedded directly in your HTML. PHP can be inserted directly into HTML code to create dynamic web pages. When a user visits a PHP page, the server processes the PHP code and sends the resulting HTML to the user's browser. For example, in this example, PHP is used to create a greeting message within an HTML paragraph. When building interactive web applications, handling form data efficiently is crucial. PHP excels in this area by processing data submitted through forms, allowing you to capture and utilize user input seamlessly. This section explores how PHP can manage and process form data, enabling dynamic responses based on user interactions. We'll walk through how to collect form inputs, validate them, and display results, demonstrating PHP's role in turning user actions into meaningful content on your website. PHP is commonly used to process form data submitted by users. When a user fills out a form and clicks Submit, the form data is sent to a PHP script for processing. HTML form. This form collects a name and sends it to Submit PHP. PHP script, Submit PHP. This script retrieves the name from the form, stores it in a variable, and displays a greeting. To build engaging and interactive websites, creating dynamic content is essential. With PHP, you can generate content that updates automatically based on user actions, time, or other variables. This flexibility allows your web pages to offer a more personalized and responsive experience, making them feel more alive and relevant to each user. Whether it's displaying the current date, updating content without a page refresh, or adjusting based on user input, PHP's ability to create dynamic content is a powerful tool for modern web development. Dynamic content means the content of your web page can change based on user input or other factors. PHP can generate content that updates automatically. In this example, PHP is used to display the current date, which updates each time the page is loaded. In this segment, we're diving into the basics of MySQL and how it integrates seamlessly with PHP. Databases are the backbone of dynamic web applications, allowing us to store, retrieve, and manage data efficiently. MySQL, a powerful and widely used database management system, pairs perfectly with PHP to create robust, data-driven websites. Whether you're looking to connect your site to a database, execute queries, or manage user information, understanding MySQL integration is a crucial skill for any web developer. Let's explore how PHP and MySQL work together to bring your web applications to life. MySQL is a popular database management system that stores data for your web applications. PHP can interact with MySQL to retrieve, insert, and manage data. Connecting to MySQL. This PHP code connects to a MySQL database named test using the Miscli extension. Querying the database. This script queries the user's table and displays each record. By understanding these points, you'll be able to combine HTML and PHP to build more interactive and data-driven web pages. This integration allows you to create dynamic content and manage data efficiently. We're diving into writing code using Visual Studio Code. I've already prepared the code for you, and I'll be walking you through it step by step. I assume you're already familiar with the basics of coding, so let's jump right in. As you can see, I've just pasted the code here. This is a good time to review everything line by line. It's important to make sure that the syntax is correct and that no errors are highlighted. In this first output, instead of just displaying a static message, we can use PHP to dynamically generate content, like greeting the user with a personalized "Welcome to my website" message. This integration allows us to build more interactive and responsive web pages. I'm now scrolling through the code, keeping an eye out for any red lines. These red lines indicate errors, and we want to make sure there are none before we move on. This step is crucial because even a small typo can cause the entire script to fail. This is the given code, where PHP is used to process form data submitted by users. When a user fills out the form and clicks Submit, the data is sent to a PHP script for processing. Now, let's see how the output will look based on this code. In this second output, we see how PHP is commonly utilized to handle form data submitted by users. When a user fills out a form and hits Submit, the data is sent to a PHP script for processing. This allows us to capture and manage user inputs, enabling features like user registration, login, and more dynamic interactions on our website. This is the given code where the content of your web page can change based on user input or other factors. PHP can generate content that updates automatically. Now, let's check out the output of this code. In this third output, PHP is used to display the current date, which updates each time the page is loaded. In this code, we're diving into database management for your web applications. It shows how PHP interacts with a MySQL database to perform essential tasks like retrieving, inserting, and managing data. This connection between PHP and MySQL is a powerful feature, enabling dynamic and data-driven websites. Whether you're storing user information, managing content, or handling transactions, PHP's ability to work seamlessly with MySQL ensures that your data is efficiently managed and easily accessible. Now, let's explore how this code operates to handle these crucial database operations. In this final output, the PHP code demonstrates how to connect to a MySQL database named test using the Miscli extension. The script then queries the user's table and displays each record, allowing us to retrieve and present data stored in the database directly on our web page. And there you have it. Our code is running smoothly, without any issues. This is the final step in the coding process, where we see all our hard work come to life. Remember, always double-check your code for errors before execution. It saves a lot of time and hassle in the long run. In today's video, we delved into the essentials of connecting PHP with HTML to enhance web development. We began by learning how to embed PHP within HTML to create dynamic and interactive web pages. This integration allows us to generate HTML content dynamically based on server-side processing. Next, we explored how PHP handles form data, enabling us to capture and process user-submitted information effectively. We covered creating dynamic content that updates in real time, such as displaying the current date, which enhances user engagement. Finally, we introduced the basics of MySQL and its integration with PHP, focusing on how to connect to a MySQL database and execute queries to manage data. With this knowledge, you'll be equipped to build more interactive and data-driven websites. In the upcoming video, Introduction to Bootstrap, we will explore how to use Bootstrap to create responsive, mobile-first websites. We'll cover how to set up Bootstrap, understand its grid system, utilize pre-built components, and customize styles. This will enable you to enhance your web development projects with a modern and responsive design framework.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more exciting content on tech, inspiration, and lifestyle, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Got a topic you want us to cover? Drop a comment below and let us know.